guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Lasko heater red light on but not working, no heat. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if your Lasko heater's red light is on but it's not inducing any heat, there's a few things that you could do here to probably solve this issue. So first is we need to understand the problem here. So the issue typically falls into two categories. So first is due to internal electrical issues. So in this case is something minor in the heater system that needs resetting. And another category here is going to be external power issues, like a problem with your outlet or the circuit itself. So how do we solve it? Or solve this issue once we know the problem itself. So the first thing you can do here to solve internal electrical anomalies or issues here is to unplug and reset it. So first is you want to remove the power cord from your outlet entirely. So basically just unplug it and just wait for about like 10 to 15 minutes. Just allow it to, or allow the electrical components here to fully drain its power. And once 10 to 15 minutes is up, you could go ahead and try using it again. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and also try a different plug. So for other or external issues here, so you might want to basically use a different plug in your household and see if that solves the issue. Now, if you're using extension cords as well, you might want to use a different extension cord, or better yet, plug it directly into the wall outlet and see if that solves your issue. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and turn on your heater here and again, see if it starts working. Now, if none of this actually work, the issue itself might be a lot deeper. So don't open up your heater here yourself. That is dangerous. So it is suggested that you reach out to Lasko's customer service support or consult with a technician to hopefully solve this issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.